I recently purchased this bag of shower steamers by Body Restore. Teacher Appreciation Week is around the corner. So is Mother's Day. So is the end of the school year. But I'm actually using these for Teacher Appreciation Week. I'm going to be putting together little spa-themed gift bags for my kids' teachers. And I've used these in the past and I absolutely love them. And I thought of these right away. So in this bag specifically, you get 15 tablets. They are individually wrapped, which is why if you're not buying these for yourself, these actually do make a really great gift, especially if you're separating like I am. This is their lavender scent. I think it smells so relaxing, and it really does a good job of getting going in the shower and smelling it in the shower, which I always appreciate. It also is supposed to help with breathing and clear some nasal congestion. So that's really great as well. But when I think of lavender, I always think of like spa and relaxing. So that's actually why I picked it. But it does absolutely smell amazing. So again, you get 15 individual wrapped shower steamers in here. And here is what one looks like. It is so beautifully packaged, perfect for gifting. I'm so excited about this. Highly recommend.